Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, Senior Economist, and here are the headlines while we were away. We had Trump talking to reporters. He said he'd love to get Fed Chair Powell out right now, shockingly. He started interviews for the Fed Chair. We have some surprising names for Fed chairs. We may go the standard way, and I think we already know the choice for Fed Chair. So if you can muddle through that information, good for you. But I did look up Polymarket, and so far Polymarket has Hassett in the lead. Take that for what you will. Moving on, it seems everybody is breathing a sigh of relief because Bitcoin has somewhat stabilized above that 90,000 level. The token is holding 90,000 pivot. It's kind of the last major area of support. And as we talked about earlier this morning, 89,600 is kind of below that is kind of where ETF holders start losing money. And so everybody's talking about how positions that have been liquidated over the last 24 hours. We did talk about this earlier this morning as well. We had roughly 430 million in Bitcoin positions liquidated over the last 24 hours. They're hoping that this has flushed out the excess. We'll see if that's happening. We kind of talked about this with Chris this morning too, that, it's kind of one of the sensitive gauges for risk appetite. And so traders are looking for the sentiment this afternoon, and it looks like, at least for now, it's stabilized. So there you go. We have U.S. claims success in hurting Russian oil prices with sanctions. So we had demand for oil is plunging, driven by the efficacy of the U.S. sanctions. The Treasury Office said, who's overseeing these sanctions, various grades of Russian oil are trading well below all other international prices, with several at multi-level year lows. The release said nearly a dozen major Indian and Chinese buyers have said that they intend to pause their purchases of Russian December deliveries. I do mention this because we did see oil uptick on this. We'll see if that holds or not, but we did have, and as well as the uptick in oil, we had the NYSE energy sector also rose up about 0.7%. Again, we'll see if that holds. We looking at market breadth today. We have market breadth is better today with 328 advancers versus 174 decliners. Of the 502 companies in the S&P 500, that compares to 311 decliners and 192 advancers yesterday. That was at yesterday's close. I'm giving you the advancers and decliners before the close, so this definitely could change, but just note that market breadth is looking better. And last but not least, shockingly, China's rare earth product exports falter as talks go on with the U.S. So China's exports of rare earth products dropped to 6,173 tons in October, the lowest level since June, according to customs data. The U.S. and China are still working on the details of the trade truce, but this is kind of like when they said they were going to buy a bunch of soybeans, and they did initially for a month, and then so far has backed out on that. So if you are trading critical minerals and rare earths, which I know a lot of people are, keep that in mind that China is looking like they are not shipping out as much as they intended to. And with that, I will pass this off to Jim for an Edge report.
Thank you, Tracy. Well, this just in the poly markets, we've gone from 18 cents to 19 cents that Kim Kardashian will pass the bar exam by May 3rd, 2026. Let's pivot to the E-mini S&P. We have a daily, that's a poly market. You can bet on that. Daily candles for the E-mini S&P. We're kind of at an interesting point here. This is literally we have the PAX's quarterly pivot at 66.58. I have that highlighted in yellow. We're sitting at it right now. We're just about to dangle our toes over that level. So that's kind of interesting. And you can see this hammer candle here that we saw on the 7th. That also kind of just tested that with a wick. Yesterday, we tested it with a wick. Today, we traded way below it. Buyers pushed us right back up to it. So from a bigger picture point of view, I'm really interested to see whether or not we're going to have a candle or a series of candles close below or above that. Right now, it's looking kind of bearish. You know, 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 4 candles are pretty red here in the last few sessions, where we are below last week's low of 66.70 half. Intraday targets, we got some. Let's check it out. We have JAX 4. We're bumping up against JAX 4 right now. Official point of control is up here, but this volume profile is really not great. It's kind of wonky. It's very, I don't know, lumpy, I guess you could call it. So I wouldn't say it's a dominant point of control, but it's something to think about, right? It's 72 right now. We're trading below it right now. We're also trading below this IB high. And we've never really closed the candle below the IB low either. And that's unique. That's a rare situation. So you can go to Edgeful and get the exact stat. I don't have the stat off the top of my head, but it's going to be a high percentage that a 30-minute candle should close either above or below the IB high today on within before the session ends. Sorry, get it out, Jim. In any event, it's looking like we are trying to make new highs. But JAX 1 we saw late last night at 6,700 as a target on the upside. JAX 3 a little bit higher up. Should we get a breakout to the upside? On the downside, though, VWAP is my area of interest right now. 66.47 and 3/4. That's session VWAP, right? And we've kind of lost that in the rearview mirror lately, but we traded through it a few times today, so it hasn't been so decisive for the whole session. The mighty Russell 2000, though, is a little bit of a different animal. Let's take a peek here real quickly. Now, from a daily candle point of view, you might say, well, it's not that different, Jim. And it probably isn't. You got 1, 2, pause, 3 big red candles. And then today, a little bit of a pushback going up. I don't have Pax's quarterly pivot on here, but really we have some nice support at 23.48.3. So kind of fighting its way up. I really want to see it close above the midpoint of the previous day's benchmark candle. And I'm just eyeballing that now. That's approximately 75. We'll see if we can get a pushback up there by the end of the day. Intraday targets include a lot of JAX lines on the upside. JAX 3, we just launched off of that. We have the daily pivot defining the top of the conversation of resistance right now at 23.65. JAX 1 at 23.75 and JAX 4 right below that one-day max, which happens to be at 23.85, which should we get a breakout to the upside, I'm going to have my eyes on that MenthorQ one-day max. On the downside, we kind of lost VWAP in the rearview mirror. That's pretty far behind us, as is the official point of control. Should things break down considerably, then that point of control would be interesting to me, 23.37.4. So the Russell 2000 is, I don't know, doing a little bit better on a percent point of view from its large cap brothers and sisters. Let's go to the Bitcoin now. Bitcoin is interesting. We talked about this morning. We've had this nice trend channel. And by the way, check out Shai's X feed or even my X feed. I retweeted. She did a great analysis of Bitcoin. It was fantastic. It's a long read, but it's worth the 5 minutes it takes to read it. It was really good. Thank you for that, Shai. Anyway, selling off right now, pretty good up until today. We're trying to fight back. At least we have a nice kind of buyer's wick at the bottom here. But look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lower lows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower highs. I mean, this is a definition of a bearish trend to the downside right now. So even with this little bit of a fight back up, I don't know how enthusiastic I am at this moment. And if you go back in time, if you could go back in time, I think Cher said it best. If you go all the way back here to March and April of 2025. I have a purple rectangle down there. That's around 77,000. That's a potential target here for a triple bottom in the Bitcoin. I've got a long way to go to get there, but don't rule it out. Intraday, JAX2 tagged, defines the high today, 94 thousand. Even one day max just above that, right by that R1, right by that 95,000 level as well. We've been kind of sticky at the top side. Just look where my crosshairs is. Every single 30-minute candle since the 11:30 candle has traded through that 30. We'll just round it up to 93,500 level. So a little bit of slowdown in momentum, a little bit of price happiness here in the Bitcoin. We'll see if we can get a breakup to the upside. I'm thinking we're going to be sticky here. Pivot again is at the very top of the IB, high 93,100. Below that, you got Jax 1, which would be a target as well later on today. We'll see if we get there at 92,000. And I don't see a high vol level here to worry about, so we're not going to. All right, that is this afternoon's Edge Report. Oops, sorry about that. Let's get to the main event, trading the close, Kevin. We have Leo the Big Cat, XYZ, and the new kid on the block. Salma is with us. How is everybody doing today?
Hey, good morning, Jim. I mean, good afternoon. It's morning, afternoon. I mean, to me, it's always good morning.
She will be referred to as champ today.
The champ.
Oh, thank you, XY. I don't like how zoomed in that looks on my face.
Yeah, they do that to us here. Welcome.
Welcome
separated
to
quick.
Zoomed In Face.
Oh my goodness. Anyway, awesome job yesterday, Salma. That was must-see TV. If you guys haven't seen the a replay, you should go back and watch it. At the last half hour of, not me, even probably the last hour, Salma was going, punch for punch with Nick. I mean, they weren't punching. They were very pleasant and nice to each other, but they were both competing. It was like, all right, Salma's up. Now Nick's up. Now Salma's up again. It was awesome.
It was scary. I was sweating at the end.
I mean, there was a lot on the line. You get to put your name on the donation to 25,000 in St. Jude.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I will say though, Nick did a great job. He put up a good fight.
Well, he wasn't good enough, He fell short.
He did great.
So did I.
It was the last 30 seconds and I was looking at the countdown. I'm like, oh, just close the market already, please.
Yeah,
it literally came down to seconds because at one point we were just $5-10 difference.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think the closest it was $1 and something difference. It was actually insane.
Yeah, it was definitely worthy of making you sweat.
Yeah. Awesome job. Well, thanks for coming back. Let's get some thumbs up going before I leave and jump into the chat. We need to get some thumbs up for Leo, for XYZ, for Salma, Trading the Close, NinjaTrader Live. There's also that little subscription button. We love subscriptions. We appreciate it. If you click on that, it's free. You just move your mouse on it and click. Nothing bad's going to happen to you, but I appreciate it if you would do that. So having said all that, you guys, best of luck going into the close today. I'll be rooting for all three of you.
Thanks, Jim.
Thumb it up. Thanks, Jim.
Thumb it up.
I think we just saw an opportunity to sell this thing as we were all talking.
That was quite a rebid.
From here?
From
Are you saying from the
that
lows?
swing?
Mm.
ES just bought it right through and it like tapped into their swing and ran off completely. I
mean, it's basically this old balance low. I marked here just so you could see it. We had this balance area from forever ago. We just tapped that low and found support. Yeah, this afternoon it's a bit tricky because of the V shape back to basically the high of day. This selling up here would have been enough for me to jump into for a scalp, but I don't want to interrupt Jim when he's talking. What are you seeing, Salma?
Honestly, I'm just seeing Trappy price action.
Yeah.
For the past 2 hours?
Yeah.
Any trade I've taken has stopped me out.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna take it slow. Definitely feel like there's something brewing. So definitely be cautious. Probably Trump is gonna come out and say something again before market closes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Someone just said in the chat, this is a scalpy range. So if you're a scalper, this is a scalper's dream. I tend to not do as well in these conditions. So just going to sit back and see if there's something solid.
What would you be looking for, like from a level standpoint, or just from a like what's something
Well,
that would get you into a trade? Because right now it seems like you're, hands off until something happens. What's the something that would have to happen?
yeah, so actually this setup, if you're on the hourly on either NQ or ES, the last hourly candle close at 1 o'clock, this is something that I would look at to see if the market would reverse. I know Pac says to not, pick tops, don't pick bottoms, but these are the kind of patterns or I guess candlesticks that I look for to take an entry on a position. And I tried it before getting on stream, and I had stops at the high of that candle, and I got stopped out, obviously. So yeah, that's what I would look for. And I think it's still valid as long as, we stay below previous day low on NQ and previous week low on ES.
Yeah. Where is yesterday's low on
I think in
IQ?
15 minutes, if that does close as another
15.
weak candle, the
Where's
likelihood of this
yesterday's?
coming back down is
For some reason,
significantly higher.
yesterday's low isn't marked out on my
On which
stuff. NQ.
NQ? Yesterday's low is at 7:30, 7:31. That's what I have.
737. Okay, interesting. We'll have to check why mine's not showing up. Okay.
But yeah, so like that setup is technically still valid. It's just a matter of patience to see, what the next 15 minutes do and go from there.
Broadening formation since 1. Yeah, exactly. You can see it right here. There's a little megaphone right on the low side and on the upside right here.
Oh, you trade BFs?
No. Somebody said it in the chat.
Oh, okay.
I don't know anything about them, but you can clearly see one.
Yeah. I have a hard time like spotting those.
What are you looking at, XY?
Just trying to let NQ sort out its feelings, really.
Get it over with, son.
This to me, what prices are these? Anything from 720 to like 660. If you're above it, it's, you look for a continuation break. If you're below it, downside. I think that's my zone, my level. Yeah, they just need to sort out their feelings right now because it's going to be a difference of a failed breakdown. And then, I think they can bid this up to the weekly open, maybe not by today, but maybe by tomorrow. Otherwise,
Yeah,
we could see new lows. But this is where they need to sort out their feelings for sure.
Big time.
Yeah, I mean, we're holding this like 86 level very well on NQ.
You mean sellers are?
No, buyers are holding the
Oh, okay,
686.
got it.
Sorry, I can see where the confusion is. I meant to.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Sorry, 686.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're basically in a 100-point range here on NQ for the past 2 hours.
Might get that double IB break now.
Double IB.
Mm-hmm.
I think you're right. I would want to sell that.
Trying to get a volume build, but there's just been an offer in the way. See if they can just completely fill that offer, or if they come back and VWAP doesn't hold, this thing can just go all the way back down to the lows. Gold was
if
nice.
we don't wick here, this would be like what is it called? What's the pattern for this? A falling wedge? Is it a falling wedge?
You're asking you're asking the wrong people.
Hold on. I didn't make sure I'm saying the right thing here. Yeah, falling wedge is like when we look like it's basically kind of the opposite of or similar to a bull flag. Oh, you guys hate patterns?
Who said that?
Cooper in the chat said these guys hate patterns.
I wouldn't say I hate patterns.
Don't lie.
I just don't know them.
Cooper's just
Like
joking.
I can see them, I don't know
Yeah.
what anything is called. The only one I know is what's it called? Head and Shoulders, because it's very clearly what it is. But anything else, it just looks like what it looks like. If you ask me what it's called, I won't know what to tell you.
Yeah,
I'll
no,
just start making up
I like
names.
some of them. I like some patterns, and I like to just, keep track of certain candles, how they close, how they open.
I
Yeah.
mean, everything we do is pattern seeking, so no,
Yeah.
everyone's got their own way to
Right.
do it. But at
Yeah.
the end of the day, it is pattern seeking. Everyone's got different names. Someone will tell you it's really a this or a that when it's a this or a that, but in the end, it's all the same. That's my belief.
No, I agree. Some people tend to just like to complicate things.
It's to sell,
Could all be so
to sell
simple.
course. Leo only trades fair value gaps. All he knows.
That's the secret that I don't want anyone to know.
Chat. Chat's going, these guys hate patterns. Shooting star, inverted
Cooper's just
hammer. Oh
lying.
yeah, I'll say like doji, like candle stuff. Yeah, like a doji candle and stuff. But
Yeah.
That's
I don't really
bait.
know
That
the
is
names.
bait. I'm wearing a bow tie, and no, I'm just wearing a shirt. Does it look like a
Oh,
bow
it's
tie?
something in between. It's like that brown spot, that gray spot. People think it's a bow tie or something.
That's cute.
What, you guys want Leo to wear a bow tie?
I'll wear one.
Hit the likes if you guys want Leo to wear a bow tie.
Literally hit the likes. Guys, 100 likes and he'll do it next stream.
What?
Oh,
On
that's
Thursday.
that's
He'll
too
do it
low
on
of a bar.
Thursday.
That is way too cheap, Salma.
Wait, she's new here. She's new here. She doesn't know
Okay,
Yeah.
the bar.
150 likes.
No. What?
No.
There's 500
Oh.
people watching the stream.
Jim wouldn't even let us
We
go
need
home if
90%
we only got
coverage at
150.
least.
Guys, 150 more likes. We're at 133.
Yeah,
Well,
it would have to be
143 now.
250 more likes.
250.
Every
Jim
single
wouldn't even
person
let us go
watching needs to
home.
like the stream.
Yes,
You
every
guys ain't
single
going
person should
nowhere.
like the stream every single day. That's
All
how
right,
you share the love. We're on here talking markets.
1,000
Oh,
likes and we make Leo
sometimes
upset.
taking a trade, sometimes entertaining you, sometimes not entertaining you. But you still, guess what? Whether you like it or not, you still have to like the stream. That's just the rule.
Yeah, if you hate us, hit the
You still have to
likes.
like it.
If you love us, hit the likes.
Leo, you gotta go check the chat.
What's up with the chat?
1,000 likes would make Leo a cat.
I'll come on as a cat. I'm not scared.
Yeah, I wanna be something.
No, that's why you can't. They don't want you to be
They
something.
made Merit something. I want to be something.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, me and Nick, we're still the record holders.
What's the record exactly?
I don't know. I think it was like 16,000 likes.
It was
16,000.
fake.
30,000,
It was like
35,000 viewers.
1,600. It was fake.
It was either 35,000 or 350,000 viewers or something
Salma,
like that.
they got view botted.
Haters, no, see, haters will say it's fake.
It was fake.
Haters will say it's fake.
Salma,
Tell him, Nick, tell him.
next time we're on, I'm just gonna view bot the stream just to get us above that threshold.
Tell him, Nick.
Thursday. Let me know how much I need to chip in.
Well, enough to beat our record, you'll need 400,000 views.
It's actually
Not sure if you
insane.
know, Salma, but you get paid in likes here. Yeah, so like you go out to dinner, you're like, hey, can I just pay with my YouTube likes? It works.
I've done it.
That's how it works. Yeah. XY can confirm, and Nick is also somebody
I've
that
done
can
it.
confirm.
Okay,
2,500
real quick.
extra people coming in with 10 minutes, totally organic. See? Nick is, haters will say it wasn't real. What?
Thank you, Robin. I appreciate that.
I agree with Robin.
Thanks, Leo. Real quick, if this hourly candle closes below the previous week low on ES and previous day low on NQ, I would be eyeing shorts into power hour. I know it's a little risky with an hour into close, but just playing the pattern.
I think it's valid.
The pattern is the pattern.
Yeah, the only thing like what would be concerning for bulls is the fact that, you know, we keep trying and then we keep getting smacked back down. If they wanted to, we would have pushed already, right?
You never know.
Yeah, you never know.
There's always a pump out there. You know, Salma?
That sounds crazy.
There's an Arnold Schwarzenegger meme. There's always a pump out there.
It's always out there.
It's always out there.
Yeah, this is setting up nicely.
Can
I
you take
don't-
the trade?
Me?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh. I've gotten wicked out so many times today. I don't
Yeah,
do well
I
in
feel
this
that.
environment.
It's all about adapting.
Salma, don't sleep on Pax's higher time frame pivot, 66.58.
All right, we're gonna
Wait.
take a long right here. Just seeing all this buying after that low. Just playing the range. It's right here on the old time and sales, right there. So a lot of buying came into that low, and we're kind of at the bottom of the range. I will hold this for nothing more than just a quick scalp for like 20.
Wait, did you just go long?
Yeah. It's quick scalp, in and out.
Right.
I'll be out in like come on, buyers. Just give us a little 10 more points.
You could get it. It's so
We're
tricky
trying.
going into power hour. I'm learning how to trade power hour a little better.
You came on at a good
Come
time.
on.
Just a few months ago,
There
they
we
were giving
go.
us like
There we
15
go.
point ranges.
Good.
Did
All
you
right, I'm
TP?
out. I'll TP with 20. Just quick 20-point scalp there.
Good work.
Can't complain.
One
with
lot.
20.
Can't complain. Now, I mean, kind of had a flush there from that high and just saw those buyers at the tape. This is you know, we always talk about the time in sales, or at least me and XY and Nick do. But we've never shown the time in sales, and so I threw this recon tape up. It's totally free. It's in our free package. You can just get it. But I thought it would be cool to stream this in addition to the chart so that we could talk about those moments in time where it's like, hey, you know, there's a bunch of buyers, there's a bunch of sellers hitting the tape, et cetera, et cetera. You can see it in real time now instead of just.
Wait, that's actually super cool.
Yeah, for sure. It's you know, if you take the time and sales and converted it to a, you know, visual display in the form of, you know, circles, that's what we did. And each circle, the size of the circle is dependent on how aggressive, like how many sellers, you know, how many times, how many contracts hit the tape. What are you laughing about? The
I
Dippin'
hate the
Dots
chat,
indicator.
man. Chat
Wow.
keeps making me laugh.
Blue raspberry. Does look like that.
I was reading Nick's and then I saw Shafts.
Oh my gosh. Leo's logo matches what it's, yes, because I made the logo and I made the hat because it's mine. How big was your scalp? It was 20 points. But I mean, we're in a tight range here. This is, you know, the biggest part of volume for the day is right here. So I was just targeting a trade back there. That's it. You have to acknowledge that. Look at all this chop. If you're going to play it, you're going to have low expectations. So
No, you had the right idea.
how do you get that? It's on orderflowlabs.com free. There's a freemium section, and you can just download the indicators.
They were all on Bookmap looking for it just now.
Were they?
Like, how do I make it? But how do I
It's-
make my Bookmap look like this?
The only thing that I didn't put in here is the heat map, but Ninja already has that. So if you added the Ninja heat map there,
It's called Map Book.
why are you calling this?
What's that, brother?
What's going on?
Someone said it's called Map Book. Damn.
We have Bookmap at home.
Anyway, that was the reason for the trade. You guys have a nice day.
Book of Maps. Oh, all right. I'm done with chat, man.
That's why.
I'm fucking done with chat.
That's
I
why
can't
I
read
said this is
anymore.
why I have to wear a hat. Because he can't even keep a straight face. If you ever need anyone to join OFL, I'm down. Yeah, man, join. Some of
Who's
the stuff
joining what?
some of the stuff we're putting out for NinjaTrader is going to be amazing. Nothing short of amazing.
Looks like they want to push us higher.
They do.
Yeah. I could see ES going for 6,700.
66.93 is yesterday's close. And yes, that could be an interesting level to trade to if you find yourself in a long trade. Where are
All right,
we?
cool. Good to know.
PAX. We are at 66.79. Wait, is that right? My eyes are
Yeah, 66.79.
79. Okay.
Yeah. I
Is
have a fib
PAX
level at 66.98. So
PAX has the stream pulled up as a chart instead of a chart.
Yeah. Where are we at? I get the pleasure of trading with PAX tomorrow and instead of Kane. So if you're gonna be trading the open tomorrow morning, you should tune in and trade with me and PAX.
I'll never forget in Naples
Oh
when
yeah, Daddy's gonna get his Ferragamos.
There we go.
when I think it was Nick. Nick was on the app and he was like talking about this ES trade he's in, and Pax like, "You guys are trading right now? You guys are crazy. Are you out of your minds? Well, what price are we at?"
Like I'm talking to one of my daughters. Come on, sweetheart.
Pax. Pax gets, they use this clip every stream. Someone in the chat said, "What do I think about gold?" We actually are just hovering below the weekly open.
Oh, look at this absorption here
So-
on gold.
Yeah, this could be a good spot actually for
Ooh.
a short.
Man, what's
That's
above
just
it? We don't have
for
anything
sellers.
above there.
Gold is really dicey though. They got that nice hold earlier in the morning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right there at the basically view up.
I had a low of day gold long that I only got one lot on. So that bittersweet, very bittersweet.
Baby Whale said all the fun in gold went away when everyone started trading it. So true.
That was the
Dude,
whole point. See, you guys are pissed off about that. And
I'm pissed.
I'm like, look, NQ went from going, 100-point ranges to 300 points. Like, that's what we all wanted. We had to take the focus off NQ, put it on gold so that gold would stop moving and NQ would start moving again. And that's exactly what we got. Those are the facts.
I'm waiting for Nick to tell me where we're going next. What market?
Platinum?
Hey,
Palladium?
hey. Hey. 'Cause 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 'Cause
This looks interesting here. I don't know why I'm short bias. Just a little
Or
hesitant
what? Short bias for NQ?
on ES. I like to trade ES, but I watch both ES and Q.
I'm gonna try to
NQ's too
market
wild for
order
me.
into platinum. Wish me luck. Good luck, Nick. Wish you the best. You're gonna what, Salma?
Wait, what?
I thought you said you were gonna do something.
No, I'm not entering into anything. No, I'm just.
No, she said she's interested in. I mean, on a higher time frame, this could be the absorption into a reoffer on a broader time frame. So
You
they're trying
think
to
Yeah, I don't
figure
from
out
know.
the
here?
feelings, you know. If they want any higher, they will have to hold this range. So we shouldn't see the
We shouldn't
650.
really go below last week's low at this point. It's 624.
Mm.
I mean, that's 100 points lower, but I would buy it. I would look for a long down there. That's a better way to say it.
I think they're having trouble building any volume above like 810. I think if the market does start to build above 810, that could be a sign that they're ready to just chew up through all the supply and drive it up. But until then, they're getting no volume done outside of 800 on the upside. So
Mm-hmm.
no willingness to chew through the supply just yet where it counts.
Chat, more viewers and not enough likes. This is a problem.
Come on, guys. We
Problem.
want Leo to show up in a bow tie.
You disliked it? Fair enough. Hey, I appreciate your honesty, you know.
All right. Looks like the move is happening.
You jumping in?
No, it's too late.
Huh.
It's literally
late.
too late. Because if I get in now, my stop would be so wide that I would just. No, it would make no sense.
I think it
There's some
actually
buyers coming in here.
there's a lot of meat on the
720s.
short for sure. But the
Thinking about
tape is
jumping
just
in.
not really cooperating on the sell side.
Yeah.
Every time they inch towards the open, the tape just turns like super bullish.
Yeah. I mean, you saw it right there at 820.
Yeah, so the thing is,
Buyers
like,
coming in.
here on the hourly, there's the 9 EMA, and then we have previous week low. There is something holding us up, but I just can't help but think that if they wanted us higher, we'd be there already.
I mean, they don't call it power hour for nothing. So
Let me tell you, Power Hour has not been powering nothing. It's been lame.
hey, nobody knows that more than me and XY for the last 7 months on the industry.
Yeah.
Midday.
Yeah, Power Hour has been a huge
Anything but
sour
powerful.
hour.
It's
I
been more
grinded
like
my ass off.
unpower hour.
Too much hour, not enough power. That's how I felt yesterday.
The takeaway, no, I bought gold at 8 Pacific. So was that like 11 Eastern? When I got to the open VWAP area. But then I was looking at NQ, so I only had one on. I was like, oh, I'll add at some point. And then it just already took off by the time we looked at NQ. And so I was like, all right, well, I'll stick to the one lot. And
Look at
took it
that.
off for 10.
Right off of that absorption. XY, why do you talk me out of these trades, man?
Whoa, I didn't say anything.
Yeah, you did. You're like, don't short gold. They held that one level, blah, blah, blah. And now it's down 10 points.
Well, but
Bro,
it's gonna
that
go
was
up like 110.
Oh, brother.
that was a nasty rejection off that weekly open on GC.
But like, look at it. It's so clear as day.
Yeah, I did say it's last chance seller spot, you know.
Oh my gosh.
XY, you owe him lunch or dinner.
He's never gonna hear from
DoorDash.
me again after this stream. I'm gonna avoid him forever.
You're gonna ghost him.
I'm gonna ghost him, delete his number. It's like,
I
how
heard
come
if
you guys
you
don't talk anymore?
uninstall the phone app, I can't call you.
The minute I try to fade the edges on this range, it will break out for you guys. All right,
Hey, can
Just
you
let us
buy
know.
it now?
just let us know.
Tee it up. How many times will they trap shorts below prior day low? Great question.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to jump the gun and enter. I'm scared to get trapped.
Some buying coming in here. Should we buy the edge of this little? No, not yet.
I want to say this looks like another pattern, but you guys don't like patterns.
Yeah, who is it that said we don't make patterns?
uh,
Cooper, he
Okay.
was
Chat just
messing.
making up stuff.
That's like me telling Cooper he doesn't like trend lines or channels. That's how he
this looks
trades.
like a rising wedge. Looks like it wants to just plummet.
Salma, you can't be so bearish right now because I'm looking for.
I'm
like-
really trying not to be.
I'm
I
like-
swear.
There's a good long here somewhere.
Listen, they could pump this. I'm not saying that they can't. It's just the fact that
Well,
like
the tape is really bid right now, and the thing is, if they can't actually pull this price up, it's gonna get really nasty.
When keeping it real goes
So
wrong.
this is where they're showing their hand right now. They're buying this thing.
yeah,
if
but
they
like
can't
if
get
if
it
they
done-
wanted it higher, then why
well, they
aren't
want
we?
it higher. I think it's that they can't get it higher, and eventually they're gonna get
Yep.
washed on the downside.
Yep.
Yeah.
Who's the they?
Them, I can't give out names. They'll come to my house, tie me up.
All right, I'm watching.
Yeah. 4 hour just rejected the 9 EMA.
All right, we jumping in.
What are you in?
I'm long 2 from 13.
Good luck. I hope it works.
Just
Did you get long after that little sweep right there?
yeah.
I'm actually eyeing a short.
That's why.
I don't hate both.
Yeah, I'm
That's
trying to
two
see what the
two
longs
against
get.
one.
If they can't really push it, I'll get the short. They could also just trap those shorts right there too.
Mhm.
TBD.
Whistleblower. I never knew that the 9 EMA was so important with so many traders. I love the 9 EMA. It's the only moving average that I do use.
Yeah, I use the 9 too. On a 5-minute only.
It's literally the best. Why is 9 better than 8? I think it just comes down to personal preference. 7, 8, 9. Bro.
6, 7.
Fifth grade
Dude,
call.
I
They
had to
want their
ask
joke
chat
back.
yesterday what 6, 7 even meant, and nobody knows. Apparently it means nothing.
Nobody knows, what it means. That's the whole joke. Yeah, I'm out. Damn, I had like 12 I could have taken.
I'm going for an offer here, maybe.
I'm still interested. I'm just,
I really feel like we're holding on by a thread.
you're not wrong.
And I think NQ is the weaker one. What are you guys thinking?
Mm,
Let's see what the Russell is
doing.
doing.
the who?
The Russell.
I already forgot about that market.
Salma, you got TikTok Trades channel. You guys can find all my social media. Salma OGS. It's simple. That was hilarious. Salma, tell us more dad jokes.
All right, we're back in this. Oh, did they really just pull the bid right as soon as I got in? That would be just like NQ. Like that. They had just kind of a little flush there that got bought right back up.
Mm-hmm. There wasn't much volume in that flush so far.
Is it crazy if I say I want to short the Russell?
Short the Russell?
Short.
Yeah.
I feel like that's all anyone ever does.
Isn't that what it was built for?
I
to
never hear
short?
anyone say they long the Russell.
I longed it yesterday. I gotta be honest.
All right, I'm in. Let's see. Um,
So
all right,
much
something
goodness.
light. Can someone make a phone call and drop the market?
I don't have that kind of juice.
I know someone on stream has to have that kind of juice.
I know. I think Nick's got that kind of juice.
Daddy's
Is
home.
Nick still here?
This guy was swinging his P&L with the market yesterday. He knows.
Yesterday was so crazy. Why did we short the Russell? Vibes? Yeah, purely vibes.
All right, I'm taking off 1 for 20.
Leo, if it makes you feel any better, Nick is long.
I mean, I feel pretty good. I just took off 1, got a 14 points here and profit on the other.
Let me see.
It could reverse and against me. That's fine. I don't mind. It makes me feel any better. Oh,
Yeah,
come on,
the
Nick.
highs are like almost equal. Huh?
Come on, Nick. This selling in here did not get anywhere, so they started to buy right after that. Gotta play the range I've got. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we get a new high. A new high would be encouraging.
For who? Not for me.
Yeah. For me.
A new high would be encouraging.
See, I was just trying to pull this toe clip. Salma, eventually you'll memorize all of the sayings and you say them and you can get production to pull the trigger.
Okay. I know Ferragamos and Brother Ew.
There's are you sure
Yes,
about
it's
that?
my world and you're all just living in it. Whoa, do not clip
Oh.
me.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Guys, when you hear your own
They already
voice.
started working on it.
Yeah, it sucks. Salma,
Yeah,
you
no,
just have to get over it.
No.
Nobody's
No
safe.
one is safe, yeah. Does being clipped mean I made it? Because I'll take that.
Yeah, it does.
All right, cool. Perfect. You are now a soundbite and a future sticker.
Okay. They did sell off of that.
And
30.
Salma, you still short?
I am. Yep.
I am in
I'm
Um,
out.
with you.
I'm out. I'm out of my
Are
lungs.
you-
You guys, it can go down now.
Perfect.
Yeah.
I'm in with
XY,
you.
what are you in?
I'm
Here, I'll
short
stop sharing
NQ.
XY. You can share.
I'm short NQ. Trying to
Alright,
see if
cool.
they can go through this absorption to 700s. If not, I'm just gonna flatten this thing. But we'll see. I'm gonna give them a shot.
Yeah, I have stops at the high of this candle, this hourly candle, so let me see what NQ and ES are doing. Such a tough position here.
Yeah. We'll see. Just keeping an eye on it. If they can't crack the 700s, I'm just gonna flatten.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the level.
There's so much absorption earlier when they finally got there that
Yeah.
if they stall there again, it's probably not gonna end well. We're here now.
Someone in the chat asked me, what are the ones on my chart? The number ones underneath the candles. That just tells me that that candle is an inside bar. So it didn't take the high, didn't take out the high or the low of the previous candle. Just easier for me to spot them that way.
Still selling. That's good. I'm gonna try
Yeah,
to
no
hold on to
problem.
all this size for now. I don't think I'll take any prior to the break. I'll risk it all.
You're gonna kill this deal over $5, huh?
I'll kill it. I will kill it. I've got bigger plans for the trade, so I gotta stick to it. There's a responsive bid again. But I don't
Yep.
think they can pull it. I don't think they can pull it up. Let's get the break.
You guys use Gamma or no?
Who?
I know nothing about it.
Who's that?
Who?
Someone's grandma.
Is Gamma in the room with us right now?
Somebody's grandma.
Bro.
Let's see.
I
Nick
just
used
sometimes
to.
I'm
check
planning
it.
this.
So the story is Nick used to tell us about how important Gamma was, and
Mhm.
then we challenged him to basically, predict some things with Gamma, and that lasted for 2 days, and then he quit.
But is that something wrong with Gamma or Nick?
Or Nick?
Yeah.
I mean, you can do the same challenge if
No,
you'd like.
I'm okay. I'm not up
Yeah.
for any more challenges.
Are you sure? Because it
Yeah.
could be fun.
You sure about that? You sure
You
about
sure
that?
about
You
that?
sure about that?
Kane used
That's
to
a
come
good
on the
clip.
screen. Kane used to come on the screen when they did that one. Now they
He's
kicked
not
him
on
off.
anymore?
No, they used to throw him on the screen. Oh, I missed it. I hate to inform you, but I did buy 09s again.
I'm happy for you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still trying to see if the market will give a short opportunity, but this thing's pretty big still.
You guys keep shorting it. I'm gonna just scalp off of these 700 until it stops working.
Dude, this wants to die so badly. Just do it.
Bro, I know, but there's bids at 700 and they are not done.
Okay, wait.
They're not
Pax said
done yet.
Pax is at his desk. Pax, tell us.
You're
Long
back
or
in front of the
short?
screens. Pax I'm long just as a scalp from 700. I've already taken profit. The other two are short. So pick
I'm
your
back
poison.
in the shorts. Let's see. They don't
He's
push it now.
flat.
I'm flattening this thing again. Let's see.
Oh, Pax is leaning. He's
Weak.
leaning long on
NQ, you need to be
NQ.
long.
Well, I'm short.
Yeah, we're short. Well, I'm short the Russell, but
Now the selling
I'm
hits the
short
tape
NQ.
right here at 710.
Got some good wiggle room now. See if they can break this.
Oop. Found buyers.
wait, what'd you say about buyers?
No, there's buyers. The same ones we've been talking about for the last hour at 700.
All right, should I close here for 1 point? One measly point? Like,
I don't know. I think Russell, likes to be sold, and you're short the Russell.
I mean, we're up 2 points now.
Yeah, it's. It
I'm
is a
seeing what they
little
do with the 50
it's
lots over
starting
at
to get a
700
little
there.
weak here.
There we go. All right. I'm not covering yet. Hold on to these 5.
Let's go. Come on.
Oh, it's happening. Let's go.
Still holding on to these 5.
There we go. See, knew we could find a couple of good trades in here today.
It's a good move. I'm covering
Just
1.
flush it.
I do want to see us try to get to view up.
Seeing some buyers here at 90.
Pax is short bias. That's all I need to hear to go short.
Get some continuation, or I'm going to start covering some more.
No, we need continuation now.
Still offering super heavy tape now. Holding on to this. Covering another. I'm down to 3.
Nice trade.
Don't want to hold too long.
Come on, Russell.
Trying to get another one. I'm covering another one. I'm down to 2. I'm going to let these 2 try to make a run here.
Dude, this is beautiful.
High
Yeah,
5.
you almost took it out too. Almost.
I
For a
did.
point.
Yeah, I was
For a
going to
point.
take it out for a point. Oh, I would have been so pissed.
High 5. All right. Going to cover the 4th soon. I'll cover it here. I'm down to 1. I'm going to trail this 1. See how low we can go.
I don't put. This is risky here, putting stops at break even on ES. Just don't want this to go red.
That's why Salma's the champ, guys. You're seeing it live.
No, no. That was. I don't know what yesterday was, but.
Don't
Hey,
say
watch
that.
this. Watch
Don't say
this.
that. Don't say that.
View up.
Don't say stuff
bid
like that.
here.
Not today.
XY.
What's up?
So watch this view up bid here.
I know. That's why I've covered everything but 1. VWAP was where I wanted to get to ultimately, and anything further is just extra, honestly. This is the greatest squiggly line that has ever existed.
Come on, just drop it.
Next up would be pretty much straight to overnight low. I would cover this here. Yeah, I'll cover this. 529s if we can get there. That would be quite a drop.
Pax told me to breathe. Oh, I'm breathing. You know what? This is a good candle, though, considering how all day it's just been wiki action. Just been back and forth. This is finally nice.
Oh, we're moving. There
Let's
it
go.
is.
Give me full TP.
What are you trying to take it off at?
Russell, I needed, I think, what? I need 2 more ticks on Russell. And then ES. Okay, call me crazy, but I want 38 on ES. It's either that or break even.
Well, I hope it goes even lower. I'm
Flush
looking
it.
for 530 NQ.
Jim says ES session VWAP at 66.48.
Yeah, it's at VWAP
It's in
now.
danger.
A little buy in there. A little buy in there. View up.
I'm about to
Over,
trail out the stop or trail out my runner here.
The 60s is where we had prior resistance. So I mean, it would make sense to see a
All
little
right,
bit
my
of support
runner's
here.
my runner's done. Done with the
Nice,
short.
nice trade.
I'm
Nice
about to
trade.
get stopped out for break even on ES and in profit on Russell.
I don't know. Yes, just rejected yesterday's low. Might be okay.
Let's see. I'm actually just very happy that we were able to get in a trade.
Oh yeah, all three of us got something.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
stopped out on ES there. And Russell.
Nice trade.
Solid.
That's why it's the best squiggly line right here. You guys are seeing it.
What is it?
Just a 24-hour VWAP.
Yeah.
Oh, they're offering this again. Jeez.
Yeah, they're not going to make this easy. There you go. They're buying up previous day low.
This is where they have to offer this. If they fail this reoffer, it's going to be a new high. I'm tempted to offer this thing.
Wait, Nvidia reports earnings tonight, right?
Tomorrow.
Is it today after the bell?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Mhm.
I should know that. Let me see. Yeah, tomorrow. You're right. Explains the wacky PA. No, it's not that I didn't believe him. I just had to double check. No harm in double checking, guys.
I don't know. I think you just didn't believe me. You know, like let's be honest.
Texas Trades NQ is trying to get me in trouble.
He knows that I know when I speak. I know what I'm talking about. Texas Trades knows. I'm just kidding.
You NQ traders, you all stick together.
We have to.
Cap
'Cause this
check.
is, I mean, see what we get. We get people that just, you know, got to fact check us. Like we don't know.
How this thing's gonna drop.
Yeah, it's a good reoffer. Right where they needed to do it too. Prior volume.
Check,
Almost perfectly.
check.
Almost perfectly.
I really want to re-enter here.
That's too late for me for my entry. I think I'm done for the day. I've had a good day.
Did you end up catching that pop off the news? I got caught in that. I was short.
Pop off the news. When?
Yeah, there was news at 12:30.
I was
Oh
at
no,
Midday.
Huge
I was
green
done
candle.
already. I streamed
Oh.
earlier for the midday market. I just turned everything off as soon as that was over.
Yeah,
Then came back on.
Nick is asking if we had news. Yeah, we did. Trump announced that Saudi Arabia is going to be investing, I think it was 1 billion
1
into
trillion.
one. Oh shoot,
1 trillion. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's a
1
bit of change.
trillion into the Mag 7.
That's Jim Cagnina money.
Wait, let me see that again. Okay. So here, they had agreed to 600 billion, and then they increased their investment to 1 trillion. So yeah, that's what caused us to pop up.
Is 1 trillion a lot?
I don't know, Leo. If someone came and gave you 1 trillion,
Yeah,
would
I know.
that be a
Someone give
lot?
it to me, I'll let you know. Says, I love how countries just make up numbers now. Yeah. 600. Yeah, whatever. 1 trillion, sure.
They'll be releasing that with the Epstein files. I'm sure they will.
Leo, you still bid right now?
No, I'm flat. I got stopped out of that one last the 700 710 long, and I haven't done anything else.
Second attempt on this bid.
Whistleblower said someone give me 1 trillion, you'd never see me again. Boy, you better not tell anyone you got $1 trillion.
I think you could probably tell a few people that you have a trill, you know? A
You'd
trillion?
never hear from me again.
Nah, I'd never tell him I have a trillion. I'd say like out like
I
a
would
billion.
definitely say something. I would definitely I would personally I would tell you guys.
I would just go straight to Leo's house after that immediately. I'm getting in the car, I'm knocking on his
I would
door.
legit just be like, yo, I got a trill. Like, I'm gonna give you some.
So yo,
Are you gonna give us some?
let me
Yeah,
get
of
some
course.
Oh, Leo, yes.
Oh, see, you were silent. Now you want some. That's so crazy.
Yes.
Let me tell you why I love Leo, guys. Let me for 25
That's so
straight minutes until
crazy.
we get off here. We're gonna talk about how much we love Leo. Just in case.
There would be signs. Yeah, there would be signs.
Yeah, Leo, did you know you're my favorite?
Leo's gonna get on stream one day and you see like his floor is full of cash on his stream. Like, oh, don't mind that. They're doing the same dance, but just lower.
Tracy says, to be honest, governments can't make private companies invest in the US. So most of this money is just talk to get reduced tariffs. Yeah, it's definitely a power move. Trump probably saw the market dropping and needed to do something.
Do they crack prior week low?
On what, NQ?
Running out of time. Yeah, it's almost
No, not yet.
13 minutes until Algo.
It's Algo time. We have 50 points or so to sweep that level.
I think it holds.
Job, is that a real stat? Is that real? I don't know. Someone give me $1 trillion in ones. I gotta confirm it. I will let you
get
guys
about
know.
28% of the way to the moon with $1 trillion stack of $1 bills.
Like, how do you even know that?
Job's done it.
Job's full of well, he's done it and he's full of useless information. I'm just kidding, Job.
Why is it Job and not Job?
I don't know. You ask him.
First,
he did it with a ruler. One bill at a time. $1 bill at a time, not billion at a time. It feels like it wants to rip into the close.
Yeah, ES is just hugging on to this previous day low.
I mean, with 10 minutes left and them trying to figure it out still, there's nothing I would want to do for sure.
Whew.
At least they gave us something to work with today.
Yeah, for sure. Super kind.
Hmm. This is interesting. We're all
Yeah.
just thinking.
Feel that. Thanks, production.
I'm just wondering if, whether or not we get pinned into the close or if we actually get some movement here. Tough spot.
I think it's lower. They're just consolidating lower now and they can't push anything. They're just tapering when they get higher. No one's willing to buy it through when it finally matters. Not yet, at least.
Yeah. I feel like we do this every quarter prior to Nvidia earnings, or just like really any Mag 7 earnings. Market's anticipating something. We do chop.
Do
Today
any of
probably
you
would have
use
been.
market on
Sorry, go
close?
ahead.
Someone asked if anyone uses market on close. We don't. You can't. I don't believe you can really get any edge off of that number for a trade.
It's mostly fake.
We definitely get some kind of movement though when that does come out.
I mean, the algo.
Yeah, it's the algo. Yeah.
It's algo time. Guys, it looks like we should have just traded gold.
In the morning. Yeah, that was like the most seamless trade that I had.
Nah, even off this like rejection off the weekly open.
Off of the wicks, right?
Yeah.
Could have
Yep.
traded that GC.
Off of those same wicks.
That
Damn.
GCG line.
That was the high of day. And XY just talked me out of it live.
Hey,
You
all I
all saw
said was
it
they made a good
live
hold.
on stream.
Right?
He said, "Don't take the trade."
I literally did not say that. I may or may not. I may or may not work for big gold.
All right, chat. What do you guys think? Do we
I think they're gonna flush this. They're
we
gonna flush
flush?
this.
Do we pump? Or do we stay flat into the close?
I mean, we're in the middle of the range.
Yeah, they're gonna. I think they're coming back down for that. They're gonna flush this.
Pump time.
Tape
Pump
is good.
time. Sell time.
It can literally go either way.
I think he's toxic. Nobody talked to her. When did I say that?
That was a clip. Oh my
I don't remember
gosh.
saying that, but I do believe it, so
Yeah,
I'm
that's
sure.
100% fact.
They're coming back for it.
Oh, Nick, I know no one is safe. I got clipped, apparently. Production, please save us. Don't play it again. It's weird hearing your voice.
It is.
It is so weird.
Yes, it's my world and you're all just living in
Oh,
it.
God.
You can clean that up with AI if you want to send me the clip. I'll do it. I'll make it
Clean. Oh, you like
make it louder.
mm,
It sounds like she's away from the microphone when she says it. It should be more direct. Like it should be louder.
Leo, what the heck?
What? I'm advocating so you sound louder.
Leo's gonna bump up the volume like 3x
Yeah.
on
We
it.
want to get rid of it, not make it sound better.
Oh,
Oh,
they
this
never
thing,
they
they want
never
to
get
flush
rid of these.
this.
Yep. Flushing it.
You know, I hope they do, just so that I can feel better about myself. Third inside bar on the 5-minute. On what?
Looking at next week's calendar. So we're open till noon on Thanksgiving Day.
Oh, I
We are
thought
not we're not on Thanksgiving or Black Friday.
No. I mean the market, the futures are open until noon.
Mm.
I was looking at the calendar. It's crazy. It's crazy. They would only shut it off for half the day. Globex.
Oh,
yeah.
but
No, I know.
are we closed that Friday though?
No,
The following day.
No. You never close on Friday.
Wait, what?
Yeah, Black Friday, it's always open. Full session.
No, you're right. You're right. It closes. Hang on.
No, guys.
Yeah, it's
double
early
check
close
that.
on Friday too.
Is
Two
it?
back-to-back noon closes.
Wow.
No, Leo, I think you have it mixed up. Thanksgiving Day we're closed, and then Friday is half a day. Pretty sure.
Someone said half day Black Friday.
Yeah, Friday is
Yeah,
half
day
day.
Black Friday, but it's
But
also saying
Thanksgiving.
Half day after Thanksgiving, close Thanksgiving. Yeah, close Thanksgiving. I
no.
just honestly, my first
There's
thought is
a
always
Globex open on Wednesday night. Globex open, and there's
everyone's saying Thanksgiving closed.
okay.
I just honestly,
Look
my
at
first
the
thought is
CME
always
calendar.
No.
when it was
I-
Thanksgiving night and the market just like died
Here,
because
you
they
guys
did the
debate
war.
this.
Guys, it flushed without us because we're sitting here debating. Oh, XY. You just got your previous week low on NQ.
Yeah, but there was no way I hold through that. I'm happy I took my profits on the way down on the first short. That's pretty much all I wanted. If I held through until this, I would have just like went crazy already. I can't do it.
You're more of like a quick
I'm definitely
scalper.
like a scalper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
I promise Thursday it's open till noon. It goes to pre-open at noon. Globex opens at 1700, and then Friday's early close.
All right, Shy has chimed in. She's the authority here.
Correct.
There you have
Thank
it.
you.
Shy has chimed in.
Tracy, Mom, the meatloaf.
Yes. See, once again, I'm correct. Again. You can.
Yeah, take that, chat.
You guys are gonna have to send me your likes, okay?
Wait. Market reopens Thanksgiving night.
Okay, so there's Globex open Wednesday, per usual.
Yep.
It pauses Thursday. It goes to pre-open stay at noon on Thursday. Globex reopens at 1700 on Thursday.
Okay,
Friday
yeah.
is the early close.
That's what I said, no?
No, you said Thursday was closed. There was no trading on Thursday.
I'm okay. I see where the confusion is. I meant the stock market is closed. Futures is
Well,
always.
why would we talk about the stock market?
Wait.
This is the futures. What?
Wait, I trade both. So for me,
This is the futures show. This
All
ain't,
right, whatever.
this ain't
Okay,
an Apple and Nvidia show.
fine. You win. I concede.
How do I win and still lose at the same time?
Oh my
All
god.
right. This is how we settle this. Chat.
XY.
If Salma wins, hit the like. If Leo wins, hit the
Hit the
like.
like. Yep.
Damn. All right.
Guys, I know we trade futures, but you know what I mean? Like, whatever. Forget it.
Attention traders, it's algo time.
Wow, that came quick.
Time flies when you're having fun. Hey, Salma, we're streaming tomorrow.
Yeah, we're on 11.
Isn't Thanksgiving when we trade gamma? Yes, that's when you trade gamma.
Okay, I'm gonna call it now. I think we pin into the close. I think nothing happens.
We just closed at 670
Um,
right here. You got to say it now or never. Now or never.
wait. I would say
Yes
like
or no?
690.
Okay, so we're gonna rally 20 points.
Sure, if you want to call that a rally, yes.
Okay, does it goes up? It's a rally. If it goes down, it's a sell off. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, I think ES probably holds around this previous day low, and NQ holds around 690.
690. Okay.
Yeah,
So it
that's
closes
my
at 690.
that's my bet.
Shab just called and said, if you guess wrong, you can't come back.
Crap.
Hey, Leo, you got a question for you in the chat, man. Someone asked, does the mapbook indicator work on gamma?
Yes, it does. Next
They're
question.
intertwined. You know what? It's probably a good sign though for the bulls going into tomorrow that we hold these levels.
What's mapbook? I've only heard of book. I'm not reading chat anymore.
Chat is actually hilarious.
We have the best chat.
We certainly do.
There's no chat that's better than this chat. People ask me on Twitter, how do you guys get such a great chat on NinjaTrader Live? And I tell them, we just have the best people.
Mapbook
Yeah,
requires the
yeah.
Facebook plugin.
Yeah, we still don't have 400 likes on the stream.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing
That's a
about it,
shame.
Salma. We have a great chat, but they don't really like us.
You guys
Yeah,
ain't
yeah.
You'll
going
get used to
nowhere.
it. You get used to it.
Yeah.
I think we can get 400 likes in the next 7 minutes. I swear to God.
$690 is that's
Getting further and further away.
You have 7 minutes.
Listen, that's a long time.
It's an eternity in NASDAQ.
All right, McNasty. You tell us.
Will the heat
Has
map
Jim
work if
liked
my
it?
office is below room temperature? No, it will not.
McNasty. Has Jim liked it yet?
Jim, have you liked the stream yet? This is your reminder.
I just watched someone unlike.
Yeah, they do it all the
in
time.
real time.
Guys,
They
come
do
on.
it
Yeah,
just
you get used
for
to
the
that too.
fun. Yeah.
Sometimes they like us and then they hate us right after.
They're rage baiting. They just did it again.
Jim withdrew his like again. Yeah, it's Jim, man. Was that you, Leo? Was it with when it was the both of us and we saw Jim's screen share and he had not liked the stream? I think that was us.
Yeah, we saw it live.
Exposed.
He was like, "Let me show you something," and he pulled up his NinjaTrader stream, and the like button was not clicked.
Mm-hmm.
Those are facts. Undisputable facts.
Mr. Juggler said, I like how the left is the dark side with the dark camera and the dark charts. And on the right is the bright side with the bright camera
Yeah,
and
you have a
charts.
bright chart.
I bet they did that on purpose.
White charts are the best charts.
I think your eyeballs would disagree with that statement, like scientifically.
Do you not see the glasses that I'm wearing?
It's well.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah, quite literally. Yes, she is wearing glasses. So that's that. That will be that.
They're for protection, though. It's not because I'm blind, guys.
Well, we'll let chat decide. Chat, if you like the white, hit the like. If you don't, also hit the like.
At least we got 400 likes. Like to find pleasant orange at. Jim, he
Thanks,
defined the
Jim.
word like.
If anyone was on the fence about hitting the like, Jim's got you covered. Kane has to wear special glasses because white charts damaged his retinas.
that's actually true. And he was just telling me that. That's why I said what I said.
I guess you guys can kind of look at that. Anyone on stream that has bright charts, see if they're wearing glasses. Otherwise, also see if they're wearing glasses. Do a little data collection, you know?
Kane, glasses. Tanya, glasses. Salma, glasses. They all use light color charts. I mean, 100% hit rate. Chris, also glasses, uses the light color chart. So that's 4 out of 4.
I can't defend this.
You can't. It's
I can't.
it's,
No.
Data is data.
Yeah. I have nothing to say.
I wouldn't either.
So, guys, we hit 400 likes. Leo is wearing a bow tie on live.
We hit 400? No way. Do we really?
Yep. Guys, if we can get 500, he'll show up.
If we can get 500,
tie.
Salma has to trade without glasses.
No, I can't.
No.
Bothers me.
Salma has to trade in dark mode, and she has to trade in dark mode.
With no glasses. And then she will find out her P&L at the end of the session when she puts them back on.
That would be hilarious.
I'll do dark mode if someone wants to like readjust all my indicators and my candlestick.
Turn
everything.
them all dark.
Yeah, if someone wants to do that, I'll send my login. And yeah. I can't believe they didn't pin us.
Oh, hey, Jim. We are a far cry away from 690, Salma.
Dude, I know. Can we not talk about that?
No. We're just gonna we're gonna talk about it until the market's closed and we decide where we're closing.
So Selma, one thing
Mr.
you don't
Josh
know.
Platten says my fills look like I can't see. That's for sure.
Selma, in the afternoon show, if we don't have the right likes to attendance ratio, then you guys got to stick around until we get to that.
That's cool. I have nothing better to do.
It's not cool.
But right now we've been hitting. Today, I think right before, some people are dropping off right now, but we were at about 57%, 55, 57%. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good ratio. Over 50% is good.
So we can see our families today?
Yeah, you could today.
Sweet.
But don't rest on your laurels because tomorrow's another day.
Oh, I'll be back tomorrow.
She's going to learn. She'll learn.
Anyway, great job, you guys, today. Appreciate you being part of NinjaTrader Live. Appreciate the community. You guys were awesome across the board. Tomorrow's another day, though. We have special guest Donnie is coming with DCP Cooks. I don't know if he's great. He's mostly about interest rates, but he's super good. He's our morning gap guest. Trading the open. Leo the Big Cat's coming back tomorrow morning with Pax. Leo Pax, double dose, trading the open. What could I say? And then midday markets. We're not done. Hang on. Salma and XYZ are coming back.
Yay!
We're looking
Come on,
at
production.
three of the hardest working Ninja streamers in the business right now coming back tomorrow morning. We appreciate you guys.
Yeah.
And then in the afternoon, hang on, trading the close, we have Tanya Trades and Jade Cap closing things out tomorrow. So another great show scheduled for tomorrow. So I appreciate you guys being here. Everybody, let's hit that thumbs up button. If you're still with us, hit that thumbs up button one more time. That subscription. Don't hit it one more time if you already hit it once. But if you haven't hit it once. Hit the subscribe button. It's free. It doesn't cost any money. Just click on that. It'd be awesome. Thank you for being super cool in the chat. Best chat, as Leo said, best chat community, period, end of story. Best community, period, end of story. And I've been doing this for about, I don't know, since buggies and horsewhips were all in vogue. So
It's true.
thank you
I've
guys
seen
for
it.
being here. And thank you, team, for being part of this. Most important message of the day, remember, be safe out there. Be good to each other. See you soon.
Thanks, Jim. See you,
See ya,
chat.
chat.
Thanks, Jim. Bye, guys.